All right, today we're taking a look at Pavendar Bharathidasan College of Engineering and Technology, located in Tiruchirappalli. Now, for all you students getting ready for TNEA admissions, pay close attention to this number. The TNEA code is 3815. So let's dive in and see what this college is all about. Right from the very beginning, this college was built on a really specific mission. And that mission is all about providing quality technical education, especially for students coming from rural areas and families with fewer economic resources. You know, this isn't just a line on a brochure. It's the very foundation that shapes the college's identity and how they approach everything.
So to really get a feel for this place, let's start right at the beginning, with its core identity and the vision it was founded on.
So the whole story starts back in 1997 with the Saraswati Educational and Health Trust. Just a year later in '98, the college officially opened its doors, starting with 4 key engineering branches. But they didn't just stop there. You can see a pattern of steady growth over the years. They added more programs, and then, more recently, they've really adapted to what the industry needs right now by bringing in new branches like Biomedical Engineering and, of course, AI and data science.
So, 1998. That's the year it all began. This means the college has been around for well over 2 decades in Tamil Nadu's engineering scene. Now, what does that mean for you? It points to stability and a whole lot of experience in educating engineers.
And here's that number again, a really important one, 3815. Seriously, remember this. When you're going through TNEA counseling, this is the exact code you'll need to lock in your choice for this college. Okay, let's break down the basic facts about this college. It's a self-financing institution, and it's affiliated with Anna University in Chennai. So how do you get in? Well, admissions are all through TNEA counseling, and they follow that standard 65-35 split between the government quota and the management quota. And yes, it's a co-ed campus for both boys and girls.
All right, let's get to the part you're probably most curious about. What can you actually study here? Let's take a closer look at the BE and BTech programs they offer.
And this is something you'll want to pay attention to. The college is clearly keeping up with where the industry is headed. They've introduced brand new programs in hot fields like artificial intelligence and data science and biomedical engineering. This tells you they're serious about making sure their students are ready for the jobs of the future.
Okay, here's the full breakdown of all the engineering programs available. You've got the really popular ones like computer science, IT, and ECE, and each of those takes in 60 students. Then you have the newer specializations we just talked about, AI and biomedical, each with 30 seats. But they also have solid foundational branches like mechanical, plus a pretty unique one, textile technology, which is all about the science of fibers and fabrics. Now, for any parent or student watching, this next point is absolutely crucial. Is the college officially recognized? Yes. It is approved by the AICTE for the academic year 2025-26. That's a must-have for any legitimate engineering college in India, so that's a big check mark right there. Okay, academics are one thing, but what's it actually like to be a student there day to day? Let's talk about life on campus. We'll cover the facilities, where you'd live, and how you'd get there. The campus itself is spread across 27 acres. That's a good amount of space, which means there's plenty of room for all the academic buildings, labs, and also places to relax and play sports. It really helps create a complete campus environment. Now, if you're thinking of moving from another town, this is for you. The college has got you covered with separate hostel facilities for both boys and girls. And when it comes to food, the mess serves both veg and non-veg, so everyone's dietary needs are taken care of. When you look at the campus infrastructure, it's pretty clear they support both your studies and your life outside the classroom. You've got a massive library with over 46,000 books. Plus, each department has its own dedicated labs. And for staying active, there's a gym and outdoor grounds for sports like football and cricket. It all adds up to a pretty well-rounded experience. And what about getting to and from the college every day? Well, if you're a day scholar, this is important. They have a college transport network that serves several major nearby towns, including places like Trichy, Thanjavur, and Pudukkottai. This makes the daily commute a whole lot easier for students in the region. All right, let's talk about what happens after you get the degree. How does the college help connect you to the professional world? We're going to look at their industry links and any recognition they've earned. The college has established partnerships with some pretty significant names. We're talking about organizations like the ICT Academy of Tamil Nadu, HCL, and EMC. Now, these aren't just logos on a website. These collaborations are all about bridging the gap between what you learn in class and what you actually need to know on the job.
So what about placements? According to the college's own website, they state a placement rate of over 80%. Now, it's important to remember that this is the figure reported by the college itself, so it's one data point you should consider as you do your research.
It's also worth looking at external recognition, because that adds a layer of validation. Back in 2013, the college received the Edupreneurs Award, which was conferred by the governor of Tamil Nadu. And a year before that, in 2012, they were given the Academic Partner Excellence Award from ICT-ACT.
So, when you put it all together, what do we have? We have a college with a very clear, long-standing mission to uplift students from rural backgrounds. It offers a solid mix of foundational engineering programs and has shown a history of steady growth. The real question you have to ask yourself is, does this sound like the right starting point for your engineering journey?
Just so you know, all the information we've covered today is based on what's available on the college's official website and other trusted government portals at the time we put this together. To continue your research, explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.